Ever wondered where your money mysteriously disappears every month? Turns out it's often the little things that quietly drain your bank account. According to recent financial studies, the average person spends over $5,000 annually on non-essential items that add up to over $300,000 in a lifetime. Many of these expenses are completely avoidable, from daily habits to occasional splurges. We're often wasting money on things that offer little to no lasting value. I'll show you practical strategies to cut back and redirect those funds towards things that truly matter. Small changes can lead to significant financial gains. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel now to unlock exclusive insights and strategies. Number 1. Buying sale items you don't need. Ever bought something just because it was 50% off? If you didn't need it before the sale, you're not saving money, you're spending it. Retailers trick you into thinking you're getting a deal, but in reality, you're just falling for manufactured urgency. Next time you see a sale, ask yourself, would I still buy this at full price? If not, walk away. Instead of cluttering your home with junk, you'll save thousands and invest in things that actually build wealth. Number 2. Brand name medicines and grocery items. Pharmacies charge you extra for name brand medicines, even though the generic version has the exact same ingredients. Buying generic saves you 30 to 80% per purchase, with zero difference in effectiveness. Choose store brand items over big names. That small switch can cut your grocery bill by 25% per year. Sarah, who used to buy expensive brand name pain relievers until she discovered that the generic version provided the same relief at half the cost. By switching, she redirected her savings into a vacation fund, fulfilling her dream of traveling abroad. The value of a product lies not in its brand name, but in its actual benefits and cost effectiveness. Next time you reach for a brand name item, ask yourself if the label is worth the price. Number 3. Clothing and accessories. Let's be real. How many clothes in your wardrobe do you actually wear? People mindlessly splurge on branded clothing and accessories, believing that expensive means better. But here's a fact. 80% of the time, we rotate just 20% of our wardrobe. That means most of your money is sitting in your closet, collecting dust instead of growing in your investment portfolio. People chase status symbols to impress others, but in reality, nobody cares. Clothes and accessories lose value the second you buy them. Follow Steve Jobs' strategy, a minimalist, high-quality wardrobe. Stick to timeless, versatile pieces that last longer and save you thousands. Style isn't about price. It's about how you wear it. Would you rather own a $500 belt or a $50,000 investment? Number 4. Unnecessary bank fees. Overdraft charges, ATM fees, account maintenance fees. These are unnecessary fees which bank charges from your account. If you're paying $35 in overdraft fees even once a month, that's $420 a year. Ignoring small recurring charges, thinking they don't matter. But these invisible expenses keep you from financial stability. Be proactive. Switch to a no-fee bank. Set up low balance alerts and automate payments to avoid penalties. Set up automatic transfers to avoid overdraft fees. Your money should be making you richer, not your bank. Number 5. Expensive daily snacks and eating out. Have you ever found yourself at a restaurant for a casual meal and suddenly realized that you spent $50 to $100 for something you could have easily cooked at home for a fraction of the price? Let's do some maths and understand. A $5 coffee here, a $10 takeout meal there. Seems harmless, right? But what if I told you that spending just $15 a day on snacks and eating out adds up to $5,475 a year? Self-made millionaires build wealth by controlling small, unnecessary expenses. Instead of dining out every other day, try meal prepping for the week. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier and gain more control over your finances. Number 6. Subscriptions you forgot about. Streaming services, gym memberships, cloud storage, meal kits. Companies love subscriptions because they know you'll forget about them. That's like paying for a gym you never step foot in or a magazine you don't even read. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki warns about financial leaks, small, unnoticed expenses that compound over time and keep people broke. Not tracking where your money is going. The effect? You stay financially stagnant, wondering why you never have extra cash for investments or emergencies. If you don't use it, cancel it. Stop paying for things that don't add value. A subscription draining $20 a month is costing you financial freedom. Number 7. Overpriced flights and hotels. Most people book flights and hotels impulsively, paying 30 to 50% more than necessary just because they didn't plan ahead. Airlines and hotels thrive on last-minute bookings and surge pricing, making you believe you're getting a deal when you're actually overspending. Use price comparison sites like Google Flights and Skyscanner, set alerts for ticket drops, and leverage travel reward programs. Utilize Reddit card points. Smart travelers spend less and experience more. You're not paying for a hotel, you're paying for a bed. Pick wisely. Would you rather throw money at overpriced hotels or build a life where travel is effortless? Number 8. Daily hookup expenses. Dinner dates, drinks, ride shares, late-night takeout, these add up faster than you realize. A study found that the average person spends over $1,500 a year on dating-related expenses. Too many people fall into the cycle of spending money just to impress someone they barely know, trading financial stability for momentary validation. Be intentional with your spending. Set a monthly dating budget, opt for meaningful low-cost activities, and avoid dating just for social validation. Building wealth is about cutting out unnecessary expenses. This is one of them. Number 9. Fast fashion trends. Fast fashion feeds the desire for new trends at affordable prices. Yet, these inexpensive clothes often come with a hidden cost, environmental impact, and compromised quality. Invest in timeless pieces and quality clothing that lasts. It's better for your budget and the planet. Prioritize quality over quantity when shopping for clothes. Build a wardrobe of versatile, durable pieces that stand the test of time, saving money in the long run. Number 10. Pending on people who don't value use. How often have you spent money on gifts for people who barely acknowledge them? Birthdays, holidays, weddings. Society pressures us into buying gifts out of obligation, not appreciation. But let's be honest, some people don't care, don't remember, and definitely won't reciprocate. Giving out of guilt instead of genuine connection. Give gifts to those who truly value you and focus on thoughtful, non-material gifts like quality time or shared experiences. Giving should be meaningful, not an obligation. If someone doesn't appreciate your effort, they don't deserve your money. Making smart, knowledge-based decisions about your spending can lead to significant savings over time. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with others, and subscribe for more wisdom. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.